Hi traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, in this video we will do the forecast for the next week and we will see that how the market is going to behave from 1st of November 2021. Okay guys, so we will get started with gold, and if you look at the gold picture, then we have the drop on gold in the last session of the Friday, and we have seen that the market has gone into the downward direction. So if we make the line here, you can see the drop basically happened from here, and after that we have seen that the price was simply going into the downward direction. So if we make the trend line, then you can see the drop from here to here. Okay, so guys, this is all done with the drop, because if we talk about the market right now from this area, then what I expect that from this area, what I am assuming from the market, that still we are expecting the further recovery on gold. So basically I will stay myself bullish on gold from these levels, right? So just note down these areas, that it's up to 1783.75. the market is at this point at right now, so it has the potential to go at 1797 or maybe going to test 1800 in the next week. Okay, so the next thing we will discuss the few pairs, a few currency pairs. So this is the Bitcoin analysis. So guys, if we talk about Bitcoin, then I am bearish from these levels, so it looks like that the market will go down from these levels. Okay, at next we have Euro Cad. So Euro Cad is in a very good potential to go into the upward direction. So guys, just note down these forecasts because they are going to help you in the next week. So I am bullish on Euro Canadian dollar. It has so I am basically giving these signals based on the price action, that by looking at the price action, I am not focusing on any indicators in this package. So you must understand that why I am talking about this thing. Okay, so let's discuss AUD USD. So let me delete this one. Okay, so guys, if we look at the AUD USD, it's making a good recovery from these levels. So I'm just going to give you a level here so that you must understand. I'm just going to make the rectangle here. So just note down these levels, that this is 0.75050. So from somewhere here I am expecting AUD USD to bounce again into the upward direction. So basically I will stay bullish on AUD USD. At next we have Ust Cad. Okay, so the USD CAD picture isn't very much clear, but overall if you ask about my expectations, then again I'm expecting some sort of recovery. So I'm not much into the weight of the bearish side. I'm giving more weight to the bullish side. It looks to me that it will recover from these levels. At next we have Usdchf. So guys, if we talk about Usdchf, we have a good recovery from this point, you can see. But however, if we talk about the next momentum of the market, then it looks to me bearish from these levels. So be careful about the next week, because we can expect some bearish type of momentum. Okay guys, one more thing, that I'm giving these signals based on the price action methodology, and I also teach subscribers. I have a just 1 hour price action trading program. I teach the subscribers live on Skype that how they can monitor their signals and how they can profit from the market. It's very easy. You can also book your coaching sessions with me. It's just I will take your 1 hour, and after 1 hour you will be yourself expert in forex trading. Okay, at next when we talk about Euro JPY, it's at a very good point where we can find some sort of bullish opportunities. So I will stay bullish on Euro JPY. So this is the good point for Euro JPY to enter into the buy positions. At next we have Anz Usd. So guys, it's just playing into the middle, because if I make the trend lines, then you can see that we are somewhere in the middle. So it's not making any type of momentum. It's just ranging in between these two levels. So can't give my analysis, because unless it doesn't break its range. Okay, if we talk about Usdchf, so guys, I'm pretty sure and I'm more confident about this trade that this is the time to go down on Usdchf, right? Okay, the next one that I would like to highlight, that is Great Britain Pound USD. Okay guys, by looking at the Great Britain Pound USD picture, so I will say you that it's at a good point where I can say that if the market comes up to this level, I'm just putting the level here, so just note down this level. That's the horizontal line here. So this is the level where we have 1.36998. So if the market breaks this level, then it stay bullish on Great Britain Pound USD, and it has many chances to go into the upward direction. But if it keeps on dropping below this level, then guys we can expect bearish opportunities. Otherwise, if at this level 1.36998 get breaks, then we should move we should look for the market to go into the upward direction. So guys, Great Britain pound AUD is still into the weaker side, but it's not very much clear about the from the price action, so better you need to wait for some recovery from its side. And even on Euro USD, what I can say, that's very simple. The market looks to be bullish from these areas, so buying chances can be healthy. The price is very good to stay into the bullish direction, so it's a good chance to enter into the buy position. Okay, AUD JPY, if you look at the momentum, then it's gaining the strength from here, but overall guys, if you ask me, then it looks like to me that it's not a very confident analysis on AUD JPY, but it looks like to me to go into the downward direction. So you need to look at these levels for AUD JPY. At next, Great Britain pound JPY. So guys, at a very good point where I can state that it's a good time to enter into the buy position on Great Britain pound JPY. It can make a good recovery into the next 1st of November and maybe on the next coming days. Okay, Euro Great Britain pound simply playing into the ranges as it normally do on the normally basis. So guys, this is kind of a ranging market, so cannot be able to help you with this until unless I do not give another analysis. And even on Great Britain pound, the Canadian dollar JPY, the market is ranging, so let's leave it as well. Euro AUD, so if you look at the Euro AUD, still the picture isn't very much clear, so I do not want to throw any signal that is that does not have importance near me. Okay, US 100, so guys, it's breaking the highest levels, and it looks like that the US 100 should continue the upward trend from these levels. But however, sometimes it becomes very risky to buy at a certain price which is already overbought. Okay, if we have a look on US 30, then it looks to me that from somewhere at the top from here, I should expect that the market should go into the downward direction for some time, so maybe it will give you some scalping chances to enter into the US 30. Okay, so at next we have US 500, so let's see. Okay guys, it looks it a very good strength where we can expect that the market could go for the further recovery from this area, so it's targeting the next levels here. Okay, so NAS 100, so let's have a look. It's also same into the direction that it can go further into the upward direction. AUD CAD, so guys, AUD CAD, it's just slow at the moment. It's not very much clear from the price action point of view. Okay, Euro NZD, so guys, if you talk about the Euro NZD, then it looks like to me that the bearish trend can further grow on Monday as well, so it looks like to be bearish and it can go further into the downward direction. AUD CHF, so guys, it's at a very good level. I have already pulled the rectangle here. It looks to me that it could make some sort of recovery from this level, so I'm bullish on AUD CHF. Euro CHF is not very much clear. AUD NZD, so guys, I'm just going to give you a level. If you find the market here at the next level and you see that the market is floating from the top, so this is the level where I'm predicting that if the market reaches to that level and you see that the market is coming into the upward direction, the level is almost 1.04570. so guys, from this level, if you find that the market is going up, then you can go for the bullish directions. Okay, Eurozar. Okay, so if we talk about Eurozar, then the level is not very much far, so somewhere here at this point 1.74505051. so from these levels I am again expecting the market should have a chance to go further into the upward direction. So hopefully guys, I have explained many things to you, and hopefully you are going to do very much well in the next week. Netflix is also going up, so that's fine. Overall guys, I think we are done with the today's highlights for the next week, so hopefully we will expect the market into the same direction. So guys, I'm again repeating that I take the Forex price action coaching, and I have various techniques to trade the market using the price action. If you want to learn this technique just within 1 hour, it's not a long coaching, it's just the 1 hour coaching, and to be honest, after 1 hour you will be going to find your signals from your chart, and you will be getting rid of all indicators and expert advisors, because the price action is the best thing. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.